In this video, I will show you that how you can secure your WordPress website. If you have developed or designed a website using the WordPress content management system, maybe you have built a blog, personal blog, or even you have built a business website, or even if you are running an online store, e-commerce. So you need to secure the content of your WordPress website. So I will show you few steps that you can take, and your website will be secure. First thing, you can secure your WordPress website with strong password. So whenever you log in, for example, here you can see the login screen. Let me show you. This is one of my website, learneasycode.com/wp-admin. So here you can see username and password I can put here for login. So this dashboard password, whenever you are installing the WordPress in your domain, maybe from hosting or even in local host, even you are installing, so you can use this website, security.org/how secure is my password. So this is the best tool that will help you to secure your website, like the password. So here you can enter password. For example, I will write a very simple password here. So you can see your password would be cracked instantly because I just typed very small letters, only small letters. But see, now I will type capital letters, small letters, numbers and symbols all together. I have typed here, and you can see it would take a computer about 200 million years to crack your password because the password is very strong. So this is the #1 password strength tool, trusted and used by millions. So before creating your password, you can. So this is the #1 password strength tool, trusted and used by millions. Before creating the password, you can use this service. The second step you can take, like you can see, one of my website dashboard is open. So you can keep your site up to date to secure your WordPress website. For this, you can go to dashboard and update section. So there are 3 kinds of updates could be available for you, like the latest version of WordPress could be available, and plugins and themes. You can see right now this is the website, like this is one of my websites, and it is totally updated from each and every site, from the WordPress by itself, plugins and themes. You can see your themes are all up to date, your plugins are all up to date. Only just remember this thing, that before updating anything, just take a backup of your WordPress website, so that could be better. Third theme, you can use themes and plugins from reputable sources. Like the first thing, like you can download from WordPress.org. Like here you can see extend and themes. So these themes you can use without having to worry about any kind of issues in your websites. These are the WordPress directory websites, so has been approved and uploaded by the WordPress team. So nothing to worry about these themes. And for instance, if you want to use like from outsources, this is the most famous website, themeforest.net. So professional WordPress themes and website templates for any project you can download from here. You can buy themes from here and you can download from here. And one of the subsidiary of Envato market is elements.envato.com. Here millions of assets you can find, and here you can see more WordPress themes. So here you can see 2060 themes available here. So for example, if you want to install a theme for your blog, magazine, so here you can search and you will find a lot of professional themes available. You can download and you can use them in your blogs. If you have a hotel booking, business, so you can see tours and hotel bookings WooCommerce theme. So these are the themes that you can download from here. And for instance, if you want to use for business, e-commerce, even e-commerce also, like a lot of professional e-commerce themes you can use, you can download from here and you can use them in your websites. If you have an affiliate website, so you can also download from here. Like see this one, Blurb affiliate marketing WordPress theme. So you can get unlimited downloads from here. I will include the description of this website in the description of this video, so you can buy from there. So this is the very awesome place from where you can download millions of assets, including sound effects, graphics, photos for WordPress, like themes, plugins, a lot of things. So video templates, music, stock video, a lot of things. This theme, like here, before this, let me tell you one thing. The price of this subsidiary of Envato Elements, the price is only $16, approximately $16-17 per month if you pay for 1 year. See, $16.50 per month. So that will be approximately like $195, approximately $200. So if you buy this, so see a lot of themes and a lot of stuff, millions of stuff you can download. If you download from here, like this Blurb theme, so it's $39 for only this theme. So maybe if you buy like 2,000 themes, these 2,000 themes from there, so that would be too much cost. So you can also use this one because this is the main company and they have a lot of thousands of themes that are not available here, and 2,000 themes that are available here. So if you want to buy themes from here, you can also buy from here. The themes, those are not existing here, and you can also buy an unlimited membership of Envato Elements. And if you like theme from here and that theme is existing here, you can download that theme. So like this you can save a lot of your money. So paid premium themes, if you want to use from external sources, reputable sources, you can use Elements Envato, which I like most of them. And the first thing, like I told you, WordPress.org/themes, these are free themes. Some of these themes also have paid version, so you can check after installation and activation, because a lot of functions will available only in the paid pro themes. Next, you can use secure hosting. So I personally use Hostinger. I have also used HostGator a lot of years, and DreamHost also I used, and Bluehost I also used. But I personally found this hosting very perfect and awesome. It's very easy to use. The H panel of Hostinger is really easy to use. You can easily install WordPress and other applications. Even if you want to buy domains, you can easily buy from here. Emails, easily you can create professional or business email addresses. Virtual private servers you can buy from here. Billing section is also very easy to use. So the entire dashboard of Hostinger is really easy to use, and most important thing, they have very secure servers. So you can use this hosting. I will include the link in the description of this video from where you can buy the hosting. Next step, you can also take backups of your website. So for backup, you can install a plugin. The plugin name is All-in-One WP Migration. See, you can install this plugin, and this plugin will allow you to take a backup of your entire website, including the files, databases, media, images, videos, comments, posts, pages, products, and custom posts. So each and everything, whatever you have used in your WordPress dashboard, just with one click you can take a backup of your website. So all-in-one WP migration, as you can see here, backups. So I can go to backup, and from here we can create a backup. Within few minutes, a backup will be available here for download. So you can download that backup, and you can keep the backup file in your computer in a safe place. See, 393 MB. So I can download it now. Even from here we can download. And the next thing, you can use a security service. There are a lot of security services. I personally like cloudflare.com. You can see you can connect WordPress with Cloudflare, your hosting. This will improve security while reducing attack surface, vendor count, and tool sprawl. So it's very awesome for the security and performance of your website. So these are few steps that I have described in this video. I have explained them in this video. You can follow them and implement them in your WordPress website to secure your WordPress site. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video with your friends so they can also learn, they can increase their professional skills. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks once again.